How to clean tile floors fast and efficiently. Dear friends, floors are typically last on the to-clean list for a room, and because of this, you may rush the work in your eagerness to be done. You can work fast without leaving behind dirt and debris, though. Simply follow these 5 steps to clean tile floors fast and efficiently. 1. Remove all floor rugs and mats. Pick up any floor coverings and take them outside for a good shake. Lay them on a clean surface and then head back inside. 2. Sweep and vacuum. Nothing beats a broom for getting into corners and crevices. Sweep the floor in sections, creating piles as you go. Get out your vacuum and put it on the bare floor setting to lift its beater bar, which can dull and scratch the tile. Vacuum up the piles, and then run the appliance over the entirety of the floor as you would carpet. Use attachments on stubborn debris and grout lines. This combination of sweeping and vacuuming removes the most dirt and dust bunnies. 3. Mix your cleaning solution. What you use to clean your floors depends on the type of tile. For ceramic tile, a manufacturer-recommended mild detergent works best. Never use abrasive products, as they can scratch the tile, or bleach or ammonia-based cleaners, which can discolor the grout. For cleaning natural stone tile, also follow the manufacturer's instructions, which likely will call for a soap-based product. Never use abrasive products, as they can scratch the tile, or bleach or ammonia-based cleaners, which can discolor the grout. Also, do not use lemon juice, vinegar, or other acids on marble, limestone, or travertine. Mix the cleaning product according to the manufacturer's recommendations and keep a soft brush ready to tackle stubborn stains. 4. Mop the floors. Dip your chamois mop in the cleaning solution, and then wring out until just damp. Start at one end of the room and work backward, mopping as you go and changing the water as needed. Use the soft brush to lift any stains. Once the floor looks clean, rinse with warm water to keep detergent or soap buildup from dulling the tile. You can let air dry or wipe dry with a soft cloth. 5. Return rugs and mats. Rugs and mats are the key to keeping tile floors as clean as possible, thus reducing the time you spend sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. Floor coverings at entry points, both inside the home and outside, pull dirt and debris from shoes. Mats in the kitchen and bathrooms can catch all manner of items that fall to the floor. Before you return the rugs and mats to their proper places, though, be sure to vacuum them as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.